Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a custom login or logout redirect for your users in WordPress. Let's start with login. Sometimes you want to redirect your users to a specific website or to a home page after they log in. For the purposes of this video, we are going to use the default login page, but it will work with any kind of a plugin. For example, if you have installed a pop-up, it will work with that as well. So right now, after I log in, it redirects me to the admin area because I'm an admin, but depending on the settings of your WordPress website, your users may be redirected to this page as well. So first snippet, and I will list all the snippets below this video. First one, we are going to redirect your users to a custom link. We're going to be working in a child theme that we have created in one of my previous videos. If you would like to learn more about child themes and how to create one, I will link to it in the description below. So we have created this education-based child theme. It can be found in WP Content, Themes, Education-based child. Now, as this is a custom function, we are going to use surprise functions PHP. So we have set it up nicely. We are going to enter this snippet. Now I'm going to explain it in a little bit more detail what it means. This is pretty straightforward. So you are writing a function and enter your function name. Let's call it something like custom login redirect. We are going to use WP_redirect, and in brackets we are going to specify our website. I chose just your-website.com, some random website, just for the purposes of testing this function, and then we are going to close the function. In order for the function to run, we also need to call it here. So we are going to take the name of our function and put it in here, and let's save it. Go to our website, logout, and we're gonna log back in, so to see if that works. There you go. We have been redirected to yourwebsite.com. Now, this was just a silly example to show you that it actually does redirect, but you may want to use something like, I don't know, our website is petref.org, and we want to redirect the users to a welcome page or something like that. So those are the cases when you would use it. So this is how to create a redirect to a custom link. Now, if we want to redirect the users to your home page, we're going to use a slightly different function. Again, you're going to choose your name. Let's call it the same. And obviously you're going to use only one. Okay, so we're going to use WP_redirect. We are not going to change anything because this function tells us to get the home URL and redirect basically the users there. And then we close the function and call it again, but don't forget to change the function name. So whatever you change your function name to, if it's, I don't know, hello, then you're going to change the name here as well. Now try to be a little more specific to your website. Don't use some random basic things, because what may happen is that it will interfere with other functions. So let's change it back, save it. So we are going to back to our login. We are going to log in, and there you go. We have not been redirected to the admin area, but to our home page. So there you go. This is how you create a login redirect So for the logout function, we are going to use something very similar. Again, redirect to a custom link and redirect to a homepage, with the difference that we are going to be calling this function on logout. So again, you choose your function name. Let's say custom logout redirect. Always copy that and paste it here. Don't try to type it because you can make mistakes, one typo, and you can be troubleshooting all day long. Now we are going to use the WP_redirect, and again, we're going to use this random website. If your website is, I don't know, happiness.com, goodbye, right? You want to redirect your users to this page, then you're gonna do it in this format. Let's try that. Let's leave it like that. Save it. So now we are here. We are going to log out. There you go. We are on this random website. Now we are going to redirect the users to our homepage. Again, let's call the function custom logout redirect. Again, I think this is clear to anyone, but no spaces. Again, using WP_redirect and get home URL. Again, with this one, you don't have to change anything. It will automatically call the homepage, and then you close the function and activate it by using add action. Just to clarify, if you would not use this part, the function would be coded, but it won't be activated, so it wouldn't work basically. So by add action, you're basically activating the function. So save it. Let's go to our website and let's go, for example, on this page, log out, and there we are, redirected to the home page. This is how you create a custom logout or login redirect in WordPress. If you found this tutorial useful, please like my video, and to get notified about new content, simply subscribe and turn on the notifications. I'll see you in the next video.